Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the Ebber-Moll model of bipolar junction transistor. The Ebber-Moll model is one of the classic models of bipolar junction transistor. Generally, the Ebber-Moll model is used when the transistor is used for the switching application. In this model is based on interacting diode junction and is applicable any of the transistor operating modes. That means we can say that the Ebber-Moll model is based on interacting diode junctions and is applicable in any of the transistor operating modes. So in this figure, let us name this figure as figure number 1. In this figure, we can see it is an NPN transistor. In this NPN transistor, let us define all the current and voltages that will apply here. So since it is an NPN transistor, we can say that the IC current will flow in the inward direction and the IV current will flow the inward direction and IE current will flow in the outward direction like this. And the voltage that will be developed between the emitter and base, it will be VBE, and the voltage that will develop between the base and collector, it will be the positive and negative here. So you will get VCB voltage. So and here you will get a JE junction and we will get a JC junction. So from these current and voltage directions, we can say that the current can be defined in this pattern: IE plus IB plus IC can be written as equals to 0, and the direction of the emitter current here in this equation is opposite to that we have considered at the figure. But the collector current IC can be defined as alpha F into IF minus IR, where the alpha F value will be equals to the common base current gain, and this common base current gain in the forward active. In this mode, we can say that this IC can be further written as IC equals to alpha F into IF plus ICS, where the current ICS is nothing but the reverse bias DC junction current. So the IF current can be further written as IF equals to, we know that it is IES into exponential e to the power TVBE by KT, where small e is the electronic charge -1. If the BC junction now, so this is the forward current that will flow, and if we find the IR current can also be written as ICS exponential E into VBC divided by KT -1. This current happens when the BC junction becomes forward bias, such as in saturation. So, from these two equations, that is the IF equation and the IR equation, we can say that the IC current can be written in the following way. That is, from this equation number 1 and from this equation number 2, we can find the value of IC current. So IC current can be written as IC is equals to alpha F into I ES exponential E into VBE divided by KT -1 minus ICS exponential E into VBC divided by KT -1. We can also write the emitter current, that is the IE. IE is the alpha R into IR minus IF. So if we put the value of IR and IF, we can find the equation. So it will be alpha R and the IR value is ICS into exponential E P B C minus AT -1, and there will be minus I S when there is exponential E into PBE divided by KT -1. So this current IES, this current IES is the reverse bias BE junction current. So we can write it as reverse bias BE junction current, and alpha R, this alpha R is the common base current gain for the inverse active node. For the inverse active node, these two equations, is equation number 3 and equation number 4, will give the classic Ebber-Moll model. If we draw the Ebber-Moll model of an NPN transistor, it will look like this. So there will be a base terminal, and let us draw a line at the base terminal, and there will also be a emitter terminal, and there will also be a collector terminal. So in the emitter terminal, if we denote that the current in this emitter terminal is inside the IE terminal, inside the emitter terminal. Generally, the emitter current for the emitter for the NPN transistor is due to the electrons, and it will go outside of the emitter, but we are regarding here that the emitter current is coming inside, so there will be a minus sign in the current, and there can be drawn as a dependent current source in this direction, and there will be a diode in this direction, and hence we can also draw a dependent current source in the AC junction also, and this is the dependent current source, and there will be a diode the JC junction, and this will be connected to the collector, and the base terminal will be connected to this point like this. Now the dependent current source at the JE junction value will be alpha R into IR, and the IF current, forward current, will be there here, and the voltage here will be VBE. Similarly, in the dependent current source at the JC junction can be denoted as alpha F, and it will be IF, and the voltage here will be VBC, and the current will be in this direction, and this current is the IR current, and here the IC current is in this direction. So we can say that the current equation for the IR will be ICS exponential. We have already seen that E into VBC divided by KT minus 1, and the forward current IF can be written as IES exponential E into VBE divided by KT minus 1. So this is the equivalent Ebber-Moll model of the BJT. So this is all about the Ebber-Moll model of a bipolar junction transistor, and we can represent a bipolar junction transistor in every region by this Ebber-Moll model. Thank you.